Chicken Gun War Part 111. Okay. Alright, let's go. What are you looking at? Oh, you're looking at that. Let's see, say. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Well, that was easy.
Sana hindi ko magsama sa panonood ng mga video ko palagi. Sisikapin ko po na makapagod palagi ng magandang video. Kaya, ang sarap. Samantalang sarili ko kukulira. Ako laging
Margaret. Hey, there. Yeet. But I'm going somewhere. That is, I'm going now. Well, wait. How did I not get there? That's a Chico. And I get all the tanks.
Sa totoo lang po, pero natututo talaga ako sa pag-kot talaga ng dry skin. At ako po'y nalalaway. Kakapal yung dry skin niya. Kaya sabi ko, gano'n na lang pala yung naramdaman mo sa tuwing nagsasapatos ka naman kung gano'n nakakapal yung dry skin mo. Ayan. O diba kung gano'n kalalaki yung mga dry skin na natatanggal po natin dyan.
Get
At masaya-masaya naman. Satisfied naman po siya. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta sa mga video ko po palagi.
out of here. Boom, boom. Hey, you, wake up. Oh, man. What do you want to buy for protection? Come here. Which one? A tiger for a werewolf, for the snake for a gorilla, for a tree monster. Definitely the tiger. Yeah, I know the gorilla is the most expensive thing ever. Yep, you're right. Here's a gorilla. Here's a tiger. Oh, that's it. These have powers. Boom, boom. Tiger, the watermelon lady. Or.
Hyatt Terraces Hotel. So, yung nanay, naka-megaphone, she was calling for
Octopus.
5 years old.
Tiggery day for Tony. Or rape? Drape?
It still
Drape?
breaks my heart. Who are you calling for?
Drape!
Daughter who's 5 years old. I'm hoping she's still alive. There's a big chance because we tap.
Eat.
Ako po si Jessica Soho. This is Jessica Soho reporting. Balikan natin ang paghahatid ko ng serbisyong totoo bilang isang journalist. March 19, marating ang
Boom,
isla ng
boom.
Pag-asa.
Boom.
Nakikita tayo ay nakasakay ngayon
Boom,
sa isa sa
boom.
mga tangke